What are you doing, baby? Somebody please adopt this baby. He's a little boy. And you're the cutest little boy, aren't you? Yeah. Just hanging out in your house, huh? Yeah. Where's your sister? There her is. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, sweetheart. What are you doing? Sunny. Hi, Sunny. How are you today, Sunny? Did you get enough to eat? Hi, Sunny girl. And that's the brother of Midnight. Is your bed comfy? The pool's over it so that they don't get wet. And the thing's inside a tote. Huh. Somebody abandoned these babies up here by my house. You're just so sleepy. Why are you so sleepy? You got your belly full, didn't you? Hush, Scrappy, hush, baby. And this is a sweet little girl. You're sweet, huh? Still working on her to get her tamer. If you get her in the house, she'll let you hold her and everything, but outside she's pretty wild. She comes in the house though, don't you, baby? Yeah, her's beautiful. That's Sunny, and the little boy is Midnight. So we have a Midnight and a Sunny because they're brother and sister. Huh.